Good morning, children. 11th Commerce Statistics, Chapter 2. We will continue with exercise 2.1, fourth question. In question 4, state the class length, that is CL, class length, and mid value, means MV. In short, we can write here mid value MV, and for class length we use CL. So in this question is very important. All the questions from 2.1 exercise, they all are very important from the point of view of exam. Now here we have state the class length, means we have to find out the class length and also the mid value. Class is given 0 to 99, 100 to 299, 300 to 499, 500 to 749. So here you can see that the class length given 749, here the class length given are unequal. They are not equal. Then 750 to 899, 900 to 999. So looking at the class distribution, looking at the class, we can see that the class length is unequal. Then the frequency is given. Frequency means how many times, number of times. So frequency is given. Now they have asked to find out the class length. So children, here I have written all the points. First one, unequal class length. The class length is unequal. Then inclusive type of frequency distribution. Looking at the frequency distribution, you will come to know that the upper class of first class and the lower boundary point of second class. This is lower boundary point, this is upper boundary point. So upper boundary point of class 1 or class first and the lower boundary point of class second. You can see that the difference between these two, they are different numbers. Both are different numbers, and you can see that the difference between 100 and 99 is 1. And I told you 1, when you divide by 2, you will get 0.5. So we have seen this from the lower boundary point, you have to subtract 0.5, and from the upper boundary point, you have to add 0.5. When the class is inclusive, this should be very clear. Inclusive. Inclusive means what? Both the numbers upper and lower are different, are not same, as I will explain you in the other question. So the difference is 1 and 0.5. 0.5 we have to, first number we have to subtract and second number we have to add. So children, I have written inclusive type of frequency distribution is there. When both the numbers are different, it is inclusive type. Then obtain boundary point. As I told you in the previous class that when it is given inclusive type, our first work to complete is to form or obtain the boundary point. Boundary point how to obtain? Minus 0.5 and plus 0.5 in the upper one. Class length. Class length is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit minus lower limit, you will get 299 minus 100. So that we will see here I have worked out. And subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add 0.5 in the upper limit. So these are the notes which I have written here to make your work easy. Now, class length. In class length, you, as I told you, you want to change into exclusive type. Inclusive type, you want to change into exclusive now. So children, here from the first one 0, you have to subtract 0.5. So when you subtract 0.5, 0, you will get negative. After 0, you will get the negative number. So you will get minus 0.5. You will get minus 0.5. And the other number, it is 99. Here you have to add 0.5. In upper limit, we will add 0.5. Again, here you will subtract 0.5. means the second class you will get 99.5 and here you will add 0.5, so 299.5. So in this way you will go on subtracting from the first number, that is lower limit, and you will go on adding in the upper limit 0.5. So here I have worked out 99.5 to 299, 299.5 to 499, 499.5 to 749.5, then 749.5 to 899.5, here 899.5 to 99.5. So here I have subtracted in the first limit, first number, upper, that is lower limit, and upper limit I have added this class. Okay, now class length. The formula for class length is upper upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit minus lower limit, you will get the class length. So what is the upper limit here? 99.5 minus 0.5. 0.5 is negative and you have to subtract. So minus, the sign will become plus. So 99, this is upper limit minus lower limit. In all you have to do this way. Upper limit minus lower, upper minus lower. So here upper minus lower, when you do, you will get 99.5 minus 0.5. So you will get here 100. And first class, the class length will be 100. Here you are asked to find out the class length. So class length you will find out upper limit minus lower limit. And if it is inclusive, first you will convert into boundary point and then you will find out the class length. So same way, you have followed it. So upper minus lower. This you have to consider. Upper minus lower. 200. Upper minus lower. 200. Upper minus lower. 250. This 150, this you will get 100. So this is the class length of the distribution, frequency distribution. Now mid value. Mid value is very simple. The mid value formula is what? Mid value is equal to the class length I have written, upper minus lower, and mid value is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is your lower limit here? Minus 0.5 plus 99.5. So both you will subtract and divide by 2, you will get 49.5. Again, lower limit plus upper limit. Here I have worked out lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. So you will get 199. Again 299 upper limit, that is lower limit plus upper limit. So again you will get 399.5. So in this way children, you will add upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit and lower limit to get the, here we have upper and lower here. 499 plus this divide by 2. This plus this divide by 2. Here plus this divide by 2. So you will get this number. So that is your mid value. That will be your mid value. So formula for mid value is equal to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So this is the formula which we are going to use to find out the mid value. And this is the formula which we are going to find out the class length. So this is question 4. Now question 5. In question 5, we have to obtain less than and more than type of cumulative frequency. We have to find out less than and more than type of cumulative frequency. This sum is also important. It is asked in exam. So be prepared all this 2.1 so that till final the questions are asked from this chapter, this exercise. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Number of errors per page. How many errors you have made on the page? 0 page, 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. So your number of pages they have given 140, 110, 120 and 30. Total number n, small n is 400. Now less than CF, less than cumulative frequency. In less than cumulative frequency, it is very simple. What is the first frequency? 140. So 140 plus 110, you will get 250. Then 250 plus 120, you will get 370. 370 plus 30, you will get 400. So very simple. 140, I have not written in all, you will able to follow this. 110. Then again 250, you go on adding the frequency, you will get cumulative frequency. In more than type of CF, cumulative frequency, you have to start from the total, that is 400. So 0 error per page, no, 400. So when it is given more than type, you have to start from the total number. You have to start from the total number of pages. So that is 400. Now 400 minus 140. 400, I am writing 400 minus 140. So you will get 260. Then again from 260 you will have 110. So you will get 150. Then from 150, 120 I have written here. And from 30, that is from 150, you will subtract 120, you will get 30. So this is more than type of CF. In more than type of CF, you have to start from the total and go on subtracting F. You have to go on subtracting F. You have to go on reducing. For example, if as we have done the previous sum, like 140 plus 110 plus 120 plus 300. So you will get here 400. Then you have to remove this 140. 140 you will skip off. So again 110, 120, 30, you will get here 260. Then you will skip this. Then 120 plus 30, you will get 150. Then again you will skip this, so you will get 30. This way. But that big method I have not done here. But I have shown you how I got these numbers. So in less than CF, you will go on adding. In more than CF, with total, you will go on subtracting F. You will go on subtracting F to get more than type of frequency. So this is about question 5th. Now question 6, obtain inclusive continuous frequency distribution. In this sum, inclusive frequency distribution, you have to make the class inclusive. Now you understand what is the meaning of inclusive. In inclusive, upper point of first class and lower point of second class are different. They are different numbers. Their difference may be 1. Always it is 1 only, but sometimes it can differ also. But inclusive means the numbers upper and lower are different. Now children, this sum is different. Here they have given the point, lower point or more than that. Lower point or more than that. Means here, as we have done, in the first lower limit we subtract and in the upper limit we add. So they have subtracted and given us. They have subtracted and given us. So now we have to add it. In order to make the whole number, first number 44.5, 0.5 they have subtracted and given to us. So now you have to make the class by adding 0.5 here. So when you add 0.5, your 44.5 plus 0.5, here you will get what? 45. And here children, what you will get? Here in upper we are adding. In upper limit we are adding. This way. In upper we are adding. So now reverse we have to do. Why we are going to do reverse? Because they have given us in point. They have already minus and plus and then given to us. So now we have to do ulta. Where they have minus we will add, and where they have plus we will subtract. Okay, so this is the points which are given: 44.5, 49.5, 54.5. Now it is given inclusive. Obtain inclusive type. Means inclusive type means I told you the number up and down should be different. So see, when you add 0.5 here, your class will become 45. And in this number, that is the second number, you have to subtract 0.5. So you will get 49. So your first class will become 45 to 49, and the second class will become 50 to 54. 54. If you see here you have to make your 49.5, which we have removed from 0.5 upper limit. Here you will become 50 to 54. This is inclusive type because here we have 49 and here we have 50. So in this way you will make all the classes by adding your 0.5 and subtracting your 0.5. Now here children, if you see, I have written some notes here that the class length is 5. If you check all, it is 44, 49, 54, 59, 64, 69, 74, 79. If you check the class length is equal. So how much is the class length? I have done here. That is upper minus lower. So it is 49.5 minus 44.5 equal to 5. So the class length is 5. So what is the first class given? 44.5 and 49.5. Now add 0.5 in the lower and subtract 0.5 in the upper limit. So 44.5 plus 0.5 you will get 45, and then plus minus you will get 49. Your first class will be 45 to 44. CF is given. Total is given. So subtract the number below to get F. So here children, you have followed this inclusive class. Here you have to add. This is the lower point. So you will add. And here you will subtract. So your class will become 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. So in this way you will prepare inclusive classes. After preparing inclusive classes, here in this CF is given. F is not given. Here they have given CF and we have to find out F. So how we are going to find out this way? You will subtract the numbers this way. You will subtract the numbers this way because your total is given 500. 500 total is given. So your 500 minus 470. 500 you will go on I have written here. You will go on subtracting here. This way. You will subtract this way. 30. 500 minus 470. Then 470 minus 390. 390 minus 290. 290 minus 240. 240 minus 90 and 90 minus 10 and 10 minus 0, 0. So you will get the original frequency by subtracting CF downwards because total is given. We have started from the total number n. So here this is the inclusive class and here it is CF. So I have found out frequency F, original frequency also with the help of CF. So this is question 6. Question 7, same way, obtain exclusive. Here it is inclusive, here you have to obtain exclusive. Then less than weight is given in kg. These are all the weights and you can see here also class length is equal. 35 minus 35. Again 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So the class length is equal. And you have to prepare exclusive. So meaning of exclusive is that this way. Here I will show you so you can follow it better. Less than. So less than 35 class length is there. So what will be the number first here? 25 to 30. Less than 30 is Means what will be the class here? 25 to 30. 5 class length. How I came to know? By subtracting. And 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Here also 30, down also 30. So it is exclusive type. Both the upper and the lower of second class are same numbers. So it is which type? Exclusive type. So here 25 to 30, then here 30 to 35 and so on. You will prepare 65 to 70. It is given less than, so less than 30 will be 5 class length will be 25. Now here also children CF is given. Here also children CF is given. So you have to get F. But here CF is starting from 0. Here CF was starting from total 500. So we went on subtracting. But here CF is given from 0 and then ending with a total here 60. So the case is different here. So here children class you follow 5 class length and it is less than 30. So before 35 difference you will get 25. So then you will go on. It is exclusive. Both numbers are same. Now frequency. First is 0. So you will get frequency 0. Now second is 70. So you will get 17. How you got 17? That is 17 minus 0. 17 minus 0. So you will get 17. Then 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17. So you will minus this downwards. Okay? I say. Because you have started from 0. When you are starting from total, you have to subtract down numbers. And when you start from 0, the first frequency will be 0. Then 17 minus 0, 17. 25 minus 17, 8. 40 minus 25, 15. 48 minus 48, 54 minus 48, 6. 57 minus 54, 3. 59 minus 57, 2. And 60 minus 50, 1. So total is 60. So total is 60. So when 0 is given, you have to subtract from down, so that you will able to get your frequency. How I got? I have worked out here. Okay. So these 3 sounds here which we have worked out, that is 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Inclusive type, exclusive type, less than, more than, then mid value and class length. All the sums are very important.